Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel New IB or Designing Developer. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the things using Python in DSA and many of the things using Python in artificial intelligence. And I hope you understand that all stuff which we have done yet. Like previously on, we have just built an amazing movie shop, you can say management system in Python artificial intelligence. And I hope you understand that project. So like you all know that by doing that all Python artificial intelligence project, I've also started a DSA series in Python in which I tell you different tags in DSA in Python, and I hope you understand that. Like we have just covered up in the previous video Python artificial intelligence project. So in this video I will be covering up the DSA video, and moving forward I will be telling you that what we are learning in this DSA video. I hope you will be understanding today's video as well. Remember to see it from start if you want to learn how we are just building this project of DSA and what we are using today and what tag we are using in DSA in Python today. So this video will be also really helpful, and I hope you will be understanding this. If you understand, enjoy this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand that all things. And you can also see my all the previous videos, but before that you have to share this video as well so more people can understand that all stuff. So you can just check my the previous videos which I have uploaded, because I have built projects using Python, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data sciences. Like I've built project credit card fraud detection, face detection. Then I've also just built the project of, like, you can say self-driving car, that Uber driving and all that stuff, because that will giving help to a beginner. I've also uploaded the project using React.js, Next.js. Like I've built the clones like Twitter clone, then Instagram clone, all that clones. You can check that out because that will giving help to a beginner. You can also suggest me in the comment like what tutorial I should be bringing up when I will be covering the Python tutorial, because I think that now I will be uploading videos related to Python. But if you suggest me, you can suggest me the videos related to another language as well. But my mind is to just upload videos related to Python, because now we have just worked on Python artificial intelligence and all the backend work which we want to work about Python, but we have not worked with the Python, you can say frameworks. We have just worked with JavaScript frameworks, we have worked with HTML framework, but we have not worked with Python framework. So moving forward, I'll be also bringing up the tutorial of Python framework, which is Django and Flask, and we'll be building things using Django and Flask like portfolios, websites, and I'll be telling you how we can just build that all stuff, because many of the people are not working on these frameworks. They are working, but not really consistently. I will be just working on these framework consistently, and I will be making things on this framework consistently, and I'll be telling you how we are just building that. And I'll be also bring up more tutorial if you tell me and if you suggest me. So just now we'll be starting with our today's video and seeing that how we are just working with Python DSA and what video we are building today using Python in DSA from start. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be just working with Python in this video, and today we are not building any of the project using Python in artificial intelligence. Today I will be working on DSA, and through DSA we are just building the project. So now we'll be seeing that what we are building today through DSA. So for working with DSA, I will be opening my VS Code. After opening the VS Code, I will be closing all these files, and I will be now making a new window. And then here I will be opening my file, because like you all know that when I was just working with DSA, so I've already created one file on the desktop from which we are working. So I will be now opening that file. So I'll be directly now going and pressing this open file. After pressing this, you will be now getting one file with the name of main.py on the desktop. So you can see here we will be getting this file. So I'll be now pressing and open this file. And after opening this file, in the previous videos, we have learned about main loops, and I hope you understand that all things which we have just learned about main loops and all that stuff. So today I will be now telling you about what are strings in Python and how you can just use strings using DSA in Python. So now we'll be starting with this. So for working with the strings in Python, you have to now start with var. So like you all know that we have just used this var to define our variable. So this var is also used when we are working with strings. If I write here strings, then I will be writing is equals to, in bracket I will be writing here the names of the fruits, like apple if I write, then like here if I write mango, but you have to write comma here, remember that thing. Then write here strawberry like this. Here if I write many of the fruits name, you can see this watermelon, then you can write here melon, like this we have just written. Now if you want to print this string, so yeah, you will be writing the tag of print, then you can write here strings to print this string directly. Then if you save and if I run this cmd, so here I will be writing cd desktop main.py. You can see nothing is running, because now it is saying that it is perfect and it is now running good. If it is having any error, so it will be showing me the tag which is underlined, but it is not showing me any error here, means that our strings are working. So like this you can use strings here. So basically these are the starting basic things which I'm telling you about strings. So there are many other things which you can just use in strings, like if you want to directly define the string, so you can just move down and you can directly write here input tag. So if I write here input tag like this, if I just now move in the terminal, then I will be now just writing here directly Python, and you can see now if I just write here strings is equals to, then here if I write same thing like at the top we have just written, then I will be now writing mango. Then here if I write the same thing like strawberry, like this I will be writing three fruits name here. Then after writing this I will be moving down, then I will be writing here print strings. Then you can say now it is printing this all stuff which we have just written. So like this you can print these all fruit names using a string, means that it is now working. So like this you can just use Python here in DSA. So here if you want to print this whole tag of a string, so I will be now moving an input and then writing this is a string. So here I will be writing these are strings. Then if I want to print this, so I will be directly now pressing enter. So you can see now it has been printed here. These are strings. So like this, just you can use strings here. So it is showing me these columns and it is saying that these are strings. So like this, we can just use these strings here. And now you can just run your Python through the terminal as well, because now previously on we were just working on the VS code, but you can just run Python here as well if you want to run. So you can just check that if it is having any error, so it will be showing here error. If I write this tag enter, you can see it is showing me the error here because I've written the wrong tag and wrong thing here. So it will be not running here and it will be giving me the error. So like this you can see it will be showing you error and it will be showing you all the other things as well. So like this you can just work with Python in terminal. But if you want to work with your text editor in Python, you can also do that here. So I will be now just writing here input, and like we have just written input here there, so I will be writing like these are inputs. So I will be now writing these are strings, and then here I will be now printing it, like here I will be writing strings are like, then I will be now just writing this. So if I print this, save it, and when you will be printing this, so you will be getting this these are strings. Then after getting these are strings, when you will be pressing enter, so you will be getting this command strings are like this colon. So like this. So here like this you can just use these strings. So this is the simple thing which I've told you about a string. So there are many other ways with how you can just use strings. You can directly use the strings with many other different tag as well. Like there are input and print tag which you can just use here to define anything here. You can just make the strings as well. If I write here input, or you can say if I write here directly print tag, and in print if I want to print this, so I will be directly printing s. Then here if I print like this, and then if I print here t, then here I will be now writing r, right here I. Then you have to write here print again, and after writing print I will be writing n, and then write print, and then write here g, and write here print s. So here I will be now writing. So you can see now you will be thinking that why I have written one alphabet in every print tag. I have written because you can see if I just see it frontly in vertical, if I see, you can see it is making strings string. So like this it is making a string. So like this you can just use these print tags here to print this thing as well. So I hope you understand how we have just worked with this. So you can just use terminal as well to run this command. Like if I move here, and then if I just now write here Python, and after writing the Python, if I write this command like print capital S here like this, it will be printing you the capital S here. And then here if I write print again, and then I will be now just writing here T like this. So here I will be now writing here T. So you can see now it is printing T. Then I will be now printing R here like this. So it will be printing R, and then right here I. So it will be printing that. And then you have to now just write a tag which should be like print, and then I will be now writing N, and here you have to just now write this tag. Then again you will be writing this G. So it will be printing this, and right here S. So it will be printing all the stuff of strings. You can see you can directly print here as well. Like if I write print tag, then if I write here string, write here print again, then write here T, and then you have to now just write here print, and then you have to write here R here like this, write here print, and then write here I, And then after writing this, you have to now just write here print, and then I will be now just writing here n here. Then you have to write here print, and then after writing print, I will be writing here g, like this I've written. And after writing this here, you have to now just write here in the end s. So here I will be now writing this, and then you have to press enter. So you can see now it is giving me error because I have just written print tag in one line. I should be not writing it in one line. If I write differently, you can see it is showing me strings here, strings. So like this you can just use strings here, so it can be vertically defined and it will be showing you all the figure of strings here. So I hope you understand how just you can use strings here in Python in using DSA. These were some examples which I have given you. This example of list I've given you in many other videos and many previous videos as well, and I hope you understand that. But now this example was really important to give in strings as well, because these all list and these all equals to sign are in strings and in variables. So we have just used strings and variables in this video. I hope you understand how we have just used the strings and variables in this video, and I hope you understand this was not the big video, it was the small video, but I hope you understand the main things from this video which we have just covered up. If you have enjoyed understand this video from start, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to hit a subscribe button after subscribing, and notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand. You can also see my all the future videos which I'll be uploading. For that you have to hit notification bell, share this video so more people can learn and they can understand, and remember to check out my all the previous videos which I have uploaded, because that will giving you help moving forward. So just I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.